Okay, in my first lesson, in my lesson segment, I'm going to use a KWL chart. Is it a scaffold? It certainly is. And is this going to be a group activity? Yes. In a KWL chart, you have the first column, which asks students as a group to indicate what they already know about frogs and toads. So I'm trying to access prior knowledge here. Some students will have great amounts of prior knowledge, others less so. Then I'm going to ask the class to think about what they want to know, or to essentially create some questions that will serve as the basis of their reading or their research. And then finally, I ask the question, what have we learned? So after doing some basic research or listening to an information text about frogs and toads, I'm asking students to see what answers they've been able to acquire for the questions that they've asked themselves. Notice at the bottom that I'm going to be able to assess each individual using an exit ticket. I'm asking each youngster in my class to identify one difference between frogs and toad, one characteristic that they have in common. So they don't have to write everything, but they are to have at least one similarity and one difference. My evaluation criteria. I'm going to essentially on this one just give students a plus if they get the two items correct, a check if they get one item correct, and a 0 if they get no items correct.